You can do it! That's it! That's a good girl. Here. Here. Yeah, yeah. Do it to mommy. Do it to mommy.
Ball?
Do it to mommy.
Are you playing
That's
ball?
it. Good girl. Here. Here.
Oh, she's coming over here.
Come here. Ready? Here you go. There. Gotta get it. Gotta get that ball. It's right here. Good job. Here. Gotta get the ball. It's right here. That's it. That's it.
Hello? You're getting up now?
Here's the ball. Shoot. Trying to do that. Thank you. Here. You're so good at that.
You want to play catch with the ball? We've played ball. Oh, there, you did it. Good job. Ready? Hop.
Yay!
You got it. You're really good at ball.
Give it to me.
You're so good at ball.
The ball? Throw me the ball.
Give it to Mama. Yeah, but still have a booger in your nose.
She's got all sorts. I've picked 2 already. 3, actually, in the last half an hour.
This will be great on YouTube.
No.
Yeah.
Not going on YouTube.
Yeah, it is. Oh, you did it. Okay, ready? Here it comes. Whoa, you got it. Yay.
Throw it to Grandma? Your feet are all tangled.
You think you can dance, huh? You think you can dance? Yeah? Oh, whee, good job. Ready? Here we go. Sit down. Sit down.
She's going to catch it like that.
Here. Okay, ready? Throw it to Mama.
Throw it, Grandma. Throw it to Grandma. Throw the ball.
Either Grandma or Mama. Throw. My turn. My turn. I'll just bring it to you.
There.
Oh, there, thank you.
That's how she does it. That's how she does it.
Oh, you did it.
She's going to be a little soccer player.
Yeah. I'm going to say something. Nama nama. Nama nama. Nama nama. Nama nama. Num num nama 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 num num nama. Want to play? You still want to play?
All right, give me the ball.
Oh, that's a good one. That's really good. You made your own game. Let's see you do this game.
Okay.
Her pants are all catty-wumpy. There. Oh, you did it. 1, 2, 3. It's a princess ball.
Princess.
Now what? I mean, this is very
She
precarious.
usually uses either the top half or the bottom half of her body, but never really together.
She loves those rings. She goes, those are mine because there's some just like it, only red and yellow and blue and plastic. What are they doing up there?
I know.
Come and get your ball. Ready?
These will probably feel really good. Where's your ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball, Aurora?
It's right there by your foot.
I